हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। इस सेशन में हम आपका 9th नंबर चैप्टर फ्रॉम कॉमर्स पार्ट फर्स्ट 9 नंबर चैप्टर स्टार्ट करें डिफरेंशिएशन। दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर फॉर 11th आल्सो इन फॉर 12th स्टैंडर्ड आल्सो। ओके, नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर we are going to study the points meaning of rate of change means what, meaning of derivative and formula associated with it, derivative of some standard functions and applications of derivative. So first of all, what is the definition of derivative? Rate of change of function, rate of change of function at a point with respect to variable. Okay, rate of change of function at a point with respect to variable is called as a derivative of that function at that point, and this process finding of derivative is called as a differentiation. So consider that a car is moving on a road, means कार का मूवमेंट हो रहा है रोड पे. So what is the formula of velocity? Velocity का formula क्या है? x upon t, distance versus time. Okay, here v is depends on that x. Okay, v is equal to dx upon dt. We can write v is equal to dx upon dt, change of displacement with respect to time. Means we can write y is equal to f of x. अगर फंक्शन में लिखना है आपको y is equal to f of x, means यहाँ पे velocity is depends on x with respect to t. So that is rate of change of function at a point with respect to variable. X is a variable. Okay, means कार का जो distance है वो change हो रहा है, variable. So that with respect to time is your velocity. So you can write y is equal to f of x. So here x is called as independent variable and this y is depends on x, means v is depend on distance. Okay, where x is called as an independent variable and v is dependent variable. So derivative of this means change of function at a point with respect to variable is called as a derivative. Means change of velocity at a point with respect to variable x is called as derivative of that function. Or we can write derivative of this function y is equal to f of x dy by dx, means change of y with respect to x. Okay, means y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. So f dash of x we can write also right side में f dash of x or we can write y dash. Okay, so derivative means change of variable, so change of function with respect to any variable at that point, and this process is called as a differentiation. Okay, next derivative of first principle or method of first principle. So आपको यहाँ पे derivative using first principle find करना है. So formula for that dy by dx is equal to, just you have to keep in mind this formula. So dy by dx is equal to f dash of x equal to limit x tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Okay, आपको ये formula यूज करके आपको first principle first method से derivative find करना है. So next example depends on derivative of function by using first principle. Next examples, so derivative by method of first principle. So first find out derivative of x raised to m by first principle. So we know the formula of derivative of first principle is, so dy by dx is equal to limit x tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. Okay, next यहाँ पे देखो फंक्शन का f of x is equal to, जो फंक्शन है आपको x raised to n, therefore f of, okay, f of a और f of x तो इधर बैठ, now f of a plus h is equal to, a plus h means जहाँ पे x है उस जगह आपको x plus h, or you can take f of x is equal to or x plus h, means x plus h raised to n. Okay, therefore dy by dx is equal to, okay, dy by dx is equal to limit s tends to 0, so f of x plus h means जहाँ पे y is equal to x raised to n, ये फंक्शन आपको दिए y f of x is equal to x raised to n, so तो f of x plus h means x के जगह आपको x plus h लेना है. x means small change in value dx or delta x. Okay, so therefore x plus h raised to n ये वैल्यू होगा f of x plus h minus f of a. f of a means f of x raised to n upon h as it is. Okay, so next step में आपको क्या करना है? नेक्स्ट स्टेप, तो पुट x plus h इक्वल टू y. ओके, x plus h इज इक्वल टू y. तो यहाँ पे h टेंड्स टू 0. लिमिट क्या है आपको पुट करेंगे. आप इसको सॉल्व करना है यूजिंग लिमिट. लिमिट का प्रॉब्लम ये होगा आपको. ओके, x रेस्ट टू n स्टैंडर्ड लिमिट x रेस्ट टू लिमिट दैट इज x raised to 0 x raised to n minus a raised to n upon x minus a n into a raised to n minus 1. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे वही लिमिट का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. तो as x plus h is equal to y पुट करेंगे. So x tends to 0 means y tends to x. Okay, h tends to 0 means h का अगर वैल्यू यहाँ पे 0 आपने रख दिया तो y tends to x. So लिमिट चेंज करेंगे. लिमिट y tends to x हो गया अभी. y tends to x, so x plus h raised to n. x plus h की जगह y raised to n. okay, minus x is equal to x plus h is equal to y. Therefore x is equal to y minus h. okay, y raised to n minus x raised to n upon y raised to x means y minus x. So h is equal to y minus x. So this is standard form. Okay, therefore we can write directly. So using standard form, the answer of this total limit is n into x raised to n minus 1. Okay, n into x raised to n minus 1 means derivative of x raised to n. x raised to n का डेरिवेटिव आ रहा है n into x raised to n minus 1. Example. Okay, first example. If suppose y is equal to x raised to 5. Okay, find the derivative of y is equal to x raised to 5. इसका अगर आपको डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है तो इसमें dy by dx. So first example, y is equal to x raised to 5. So find derivative of x raised to 5. So for that derivative dy by dx is equal to, using this first principle theorem, x raised to n. So derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So x raised to 5, यहाँ पे n equal to 5 power 5. So therefore using this formula, n means 5 into x raised to n minus 1. 5 minus 1. Therefore 5 into x raised to 4 is the derivative of x raised to 5. Okay, so this is derivative of x raised to n. Now second example. Next, find derivative of y is equal to root x by method of first principle. Okay, so here f of x given, f of x is equal to square root of x. Okay, and f of x plus h means square root में जो x है, so x के जगह हमें x plus h लेना है. Okay, so using first principle, the formula of first principle is dy by dx is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Okay, this is the formula of first principle to find derivative. So this is given function f of x is equal to square root of x, and so f of x plus h means so f of square root of x plus h. Okay, limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h means square root of x plus h minus स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x अपॉन h। नेक्स्ट, तो डिनोमिनेटर में, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर, यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर में स्क्वायर रूट टर्म्स, दोनों टर्म स्क्वायर रूट टर्म, फॉर रैशनलाइजेशन, यूजिंग रैशनलाइजेशन, फॉर रैशनलाइजेशन टू द न्यूमरेटर, so in that case multiply and divide by square root conjugate of this term total x plus h, so minus into square root x upon h into x plus h। ओके, यहाँ पे माइनस है तो प्लस लेना है, कॉन्जुगेट मींस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x प्लस h प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x। ओके, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवाइडेशन ऑफ कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ दिस गिवन न्यूमरेटर। नेक्स्ट स्टेप में मल्टीप्लिकेशन, लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0, ओके, a minus b, a plus b, using formula a minus b into one bracket and a plus b equal to a square minus b square। ओके, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, a minus b और a plus b, तो स्क्वायर रूट के जो टर्म्स है वो कैंसिल हो रहा है, a plus h मींस दिस इज a square, ओके, a square minus b square, x as it is and h into this second term as it is x plus h plus square root of x as it is लिखा है। ओके, तो a minus b, a plus b, उसका फार्मूला a square minus b square। यहाँ पे हमने आपको कॉन्जुगेट से मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवाइड किया है, तो a minus b न्यूमरेटर में a plus b हो रहा है, तो a minus b, a plus b का a square minus b square। ओके, तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या हो रहा है, x x कैंसिल हो रहा है। ओके, तो लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0, x x कैंसिल and h upon h into square root of x plus h plus square root of x। okay, तो अगेन h cancel हो रहा है and directly put h is equal to 0 in this given numerator, so therefore square root of x plus 0 plus square root of x, so answer is 1 upon 2 root x। okay, so derivative of root x by first principle method is 1 upon 2 root x। okay, next example from exercise 9.1। next point, rules of differentiation। okay, if here u and v are differentiable function of y, so in that case if suppose y is equal to u plus v and u and v are differentiable function of y, okay, means u and v are variables, in that case if addition or subtraction of both functions means u plus minus v, यहाँ तो एक प्लस है, कंसीडर करोगे यहाँ पे ओनली u plus v, so derivative in this case is dy by dx is equal to du by dx, so derivative of first function plus dv by dx। okay, if minus sign is there, if suppose u minus v, okay, u minus v, in that case यहाँ पे आपको प्लस की जगह माइनस लेना है। ओके, एंड सेपरेट वहां का डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है और एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है। सो एग्जांपल, फर्स्ट एग्जांपल और फर्स्ट रूल, u plus v, so y is equal to 3x plus x square। ओके, तो फाइंड डेरिवेटिव of y is equal to 3x, यहाँ पे u है 3x और v 3x, सॉरी v है x square, means तो सेपरेट डेरिवेटिव of 3x and separate derivative of x square and addition of both functions, so dy by dx। ओके, एडिशन करना है, so first d by dx of this 3x, okay, 3x का डेरिवेटिव and again d by dx of x square। okay, so 3 is constant, out of derivative है, so d by dx x with respect to x means 1, derivative of x with respect to x plus derivative of x square, so using function x raised to n, so d by dx of x raised to n, जो अभी हमने स्टडी किया है, d by dx of x raised to n means n into x raised to n minus 1। okay, so say x square means n into x raised to n minus 1, so using this theorem 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 means 1, so 3 plus 2x, तो जो गिवन फंक्शन है y is equal to 3x plus x square, तो उसका डेरिवेटिव 3 प्लस 2x होगा। तो ये होगा फर्स्ट रूल ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन, एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन। अगर यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है तो एज इट इज आपको माइनस साइन यहाँ पे लिखना है 3 minus 2x। नेक्स्ट सेकंड, if same u and v are differentiable function of y, in that case if there is multiplication of both function, so therefore dy by dx is, this is the formula. So first u as it is and derivative of second function dy by dx plus v as it is and derivative of first function dy by dx. Okay, so example y is equal to, okay, if suppose y is equal to x square into log x, okay, y is equal to x square into log x, यहाँ पे u x square और log x v, so therefore using this formula, the first u as it is, u means x square, u and v, u as it is x square and derivative of log x का derivative 1 upon x, okay, standard form of derivative 1 upon x plus v as it is means log x as it is रखना आपको, log x as it is and derivative of x square का derivative आ गया 2x using x raised to n formula। okay, so first function आपको as it is रखना है और second function का derivative लेना है plus again second जो function है as it is and derivative of first function, so therefore x cancel, x plus 2x log x, okay, dy by dx is x plus 2x log x is derivative of x square into log x, means अगर दो फंक्शन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो उस केस में आपको फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज इट इज रखना है और सेकंड फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है प्लस सेकंड फंक्शन एज इट इज एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फर्स्ट फंक्शन। नेक्स्ट थर्ड फॉर्मूला y is equal to u upon v, okay, so in that case if u and v are differentiable function of y, so if ratio between u and v, so in that case dy by dx, the formula of dy by dx is first v square means denominator का square v square and numerator में v as it is du by dx minus u as it is du by dx। example for third rule, okay, if y is equal to x square upon e raised to x, okay, x square upon e raised to x, so first of all using this formula square of denominator, so therefore dy by dx, okay, dy by dx में फर्स्ट क्या है v square, v यहाँ पे तो u upon v, तो u है इधर x square and v e raised to x, तो v square डिनोमिनेटर का स्क्वायर मींस e raised to x और square and again v as it is, okay, v as it is means e raised to x as it is du by dx, तो u का डेरिवेटिव न्यूमरेटर का डेरिवेटिव आ रहा है तो x माइनस सेकंड u as it is, okay, u as it is means x square and derivative of v, okay, denominator का डेरिवेटिव e raised to x, so derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, okay, so these are three rules of differentiation। तो अगर फर्स्ट रूल में y is equal to u plus v plus w means addition of three function और u v w are differentiable function of y, so in that case आपको dy by dx, तो separate derivative du by dx plus dv by dx plus dw by dx means जो फंक्शन आपको दिया है उसका सेपरेट डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है और उसका एडिशन करना है। Next examples from exercise 9.1, so first number example, find derivative of x raised to r, Okay, find derivative of x raised to half with respect to x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to, so using formula y is equal to x raised to l. Okay, so standard formula x raised to l is derivative of x raised to l is n into x raised to n minus 1. So therefore x raised to half means n is equal to half. So 1 by 2 and x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. Therefore 1 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 1 by 2. Okay. So therefore 1 upon 2 into x raised to half, or you can write 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. Next, x raised to y is equal to x raised to minus 9. So therefore dy by dx. The question is find derivative of x raised to minus 9 with respect to x. तो dy by dx x raised to minus 9. तो यहाँ पे n is equal to minus 9. तो minus 9 as it is x raised to minus 9 minus 1 means using this formula n into x raised to n minus 1. So minus 9 and x raised to minus 9 minus 1 minus 10, or you can write minus 9 upon x to the power 10. Okay. The next example. 7x y is equal to, okay, fourth number example, question number 1 from exercise 9.1. Find derivative of following functions with respect to x. So given y is equal to 7x root x, 7 into x root x, इसका डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है. ओके, तो यहाँ पे 7 is constant, u and x are differentiable function of y. So therefore using formula y is equal to u into v. Okay, so what is the derivative of multiplication of function dy by dx is equal to, first function as it is u dv by dx means u as it is, or derivative of second function, and plus second function as it is and du by ds. Okay, so ये फार्मूला हमें यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 7 कांस्टेंट है, तो आउट ऑफ डेरिवेटिव लेना है. यहाँ पे u x और v रूट x. ओके, कंसीडर करो u का वैल्यू x और v x है, मींस u is equal to x और v is equal to root x. So using this formula, first u as it is means यहाँ पे s as it is, or d by dx of v means root x, and plus secondly v as it is, root x as it is, and d by dx of x, bracket complete. So 7 into bracket x into derivative of root x. Root x is standard function, so derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, root x का derivative है 1 upon 2 root x, standard function. So plus again root x as it is into derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Okay, bracket complete. So next step में 7 into bracket, तो x means x का मीनिंग है root x into root x. ओके, तो x हमें root x और into root x के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. तो root x कैंसल और 1 root x remaining root x upon 2 plus root x, bracket complete. Therefore 7 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2 root x. Okay, last part is 7 into 3, 21 upon 2 root x. Okay, so this is in this example 7x into root x, the derivative of this function is 21 upon 2 into root x. Okay, thank you.